Oh boy, we got lots of stuff on the go here, guys. We got full charge in the batteries. We got maintenance shares coming in just for the heater. We got my Nissan Leaf batteries here. Got 2 extra. I'm gonna probably use these for a 12 volt inverter or something. So that'll give me like 16 volts or, yeah, 16 volts. But here we got a 16S configuration, just like the rest. And I'm going to be using this most likely in my house trailer. This is about 4.5 kilowatts, 4 kilowatts. I'm going to be using it with this 3000 watt reliable inverter. I'll be charging through a BMS, but I'll be pulling directly from the batteries, just through a fuse. So that's what we got going. We got batteries galore now. I don't think I have to buy batteries for a while. I said that last time too. I got the Chevy Volt batteries. These are going all on the Nissan inverter in conjunction with the gels. I'm just gonna have a switch to switch back and forth between them. The gels are kind of like a backup last resort kind of use battery. They got a 20-year shelf life sitting, so that's what I'm using them for. All these batteries, including the ones that I'm still putting up, are gonna go stay on this inverter. I'm just gonna use, that's gonna be my mad power, like use it for a projector, compressors in the garage, and all that type deal. Where this is gonna be like the whole house inverter. And this, in the winter, perhaps when I'm not using it in the house trailer, I might bring it in here and just have like a quick Anderson plug, because it's the same thing as these, except for bigger LiPo pouches inside. So anyways, I'm gonna keep hooking up my BMS wires. It's super easy. Nissan Leaf batteries are very versatile for if you want a custom voltage or a specific voltage. These volt batteries, you're pretty much stuck with a 48 volt battery, which is fine. It's great. It's good for me. And these ones are, you're kind of stuck. You're either stuck with a 33 volt battery or 2 together to get 66 volts, like I have. Anyways, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing. I got installing my lightning arrestor or whatever that is, so that if something hits my wind turbine, it's not going to fry my system, or at least it's going to help it not fry the system, but not much you can do against lightning. Anyways, thanks for watching. And there it is hooked up to the BMS. I just have to put a negative wire from the BMS to the negative on the battery at the bottom. Then I got to do a wire from the charge negative, and then if I want to hook it up to the system, I just got to hook it up to one of these bus bars here for charging purposes. Right now it's pretty much charged, almost fully charged. They're 4.6 volts a cell, so we're looking pretty good. Now we're gonna go get a 1500 watt heater, stick it on this bank, and see how it does. Be right back. Alright, we got the 1500 watt heater on, or in here. We got the inverter on, connected to the batteries, and we are going to turn it on and see what happens. I'd like to just show you this quickly. Just shut it back off. Okay, there's the voltage on the batteries. Gotta wait this many seconds for the stupid thing to do its cycle. Okay, so we got 64.7 volts. I'm gonna turn a 1500 watt heater and watch the voltage. Drops very, very, very low, or very slowly. Wow. Okay, so it's on. I have it on stay on. 1500 watts being pumped in here. I'm gonna set you guys up here so you can see this multimeter. Do you see? We're gonna check all the cells as we go. We're sitting at 63.9, 63.8 volts. Start at the top. 4.0. 4.0. How's my copper bus bars doing? Doing good. We got 4.0. 4.0. 4.0. 4.0. 4.0. 4.0. 4.0. 4.0. 4.0. 4.0. 4.0. Or just under 4.0. Just under 4.0 and just under. That was the last battery check, so that's understandable. Alright, this is looking good. Now I just gotta do a little bit more wiring, and this should be pretty much ready for the camper, except for I'm gonna have it in Powerwall mode, because I'm just gonna hook it up to my system so I can use it. But its purpose is for our house trailer. I'm adding this bus bar here so I can get rid of all these wires going to the positive, and I'll just have these two wires going to the positive and everything else going to the bus bar. Got everything wired on the BMS board, just getting ready to just temporarily tie it in just so I can use it. I'm not sure where I'm going to keep this. I can't keep it here because I'm going to be processing these cells, so we'll see. I gotta find a place for it. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, I'm just about to put everything back together. Done for today. Getting a little bit of wind power. Not much, just a little bit. And a little bit of solar still. I got everything hooked up. I can move this now. I put this there so nothing would fall into the inverter. Got those batteries are just sitting there for now until I can figure out what I'm going to do with them, where I'm going to put them. I got my lightning arrestor wired in and installed. Just got to cover the panel, cover it up. I got my bus bar here on. It's a small bus bar because it doesn't have to handle too many amps, because it's a 66 volt system, or 60 volt. What else? Everything's working great. I moved the Nissan Leaf batteries to here. They're just sitting there. I'm going to put them, well, I'm going to get the long bolts, I'm going to bolt them all together, and then I'm going to put them in a case. Or I might not even put them in a case, I might just mount them in the trailer. We'll see. But yeah, that's going to be about 4 kilowatts-ish of storage in the trailer. And that, I want that built into the trailer, and then I'll also have my 3.8 kilowatt box for moving around. And I might go inside and finish wiring these for one more row. My wire is on the way. These would be hooked up too, but I have no wire to hook it up. It's unfortunate, but just the way it is. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the videos.